Resolving a trap on Sage Web, you can simply click on the asset here in the alerts, or you can navigate to it in the equipment screen. I'm going to go ahead and click through the alerts, bring up the asset here, and then over below the condition, you have the resolve button. You can click on that. And just like on mobile, you can select trap repaired or replaced. So I'm going to start by going through the options. If you select trap repaired, here you can just select the repair type, how you got the trap back into working order. It'll then set it to a good condition and put the date. You can add notes if needed. And of course, you can select trap replaced. In this case, I'm just going to replace it with the exact same trap that I see here. Save and close. And then we'll actually be able to see it on the resolve history here. We can see how many times this trap has been resolved and what it was and what it became in case the trap model changes. And you'll also see it on the history here where you can see that it was changed from a blow through to a good state. And that's resolving a trap on Sage Web.